Hey, welcome back. Sorry it's been a little bit. It's the start of school, so it's been a bit busy slash crazy. So I haven't really had much time to paint. I just feel like coming home and doing what's necessary at the house and going to bed just because, well, school is going to be a fun year this go around, you know. But anyway, tonight I'm going to do just a quick uh, SheleeArt Bloom. Really don't have any color scheme other than I'm just gonna throw some colors on there and see what I get. My base paint is Glidden's Premium Eggshell Semi Matte, and my colors are mixed 2-to-1 ratio of the HGTV Ultra Deep Base and Josanja's Gloss Varnish. So these paints have been mixed up for a while, just since I haven't been painting much, just due to everything being so crazy. Again, you'll see me come in. I try to pop the bubbles as I see them, because sometimes that really does cause some issues after you blow it out and spin it, and then the bubble pops and it just brings up the white base. So I try to pop them as I see them. As far as my colors on here, the only ones I can really tell you is Turquoise, and then Golden's Phthalo Blue. There's a couple of ColourArte colors. And this is, yeah, that's another ColourArte color. I'll have to look it up, but there's Azo Gold, Gold Interference. So there's lots of shimmering stuff. So right now I'm going to try to cover the rest of the tile. Again, this is a 6-inch tile. You want to kind of cover the paint. That way when you do spin it, it does just glide all the way out. This is my cell activator is black, which is probably about 3 weeks old or even a little bit longer. Sorry my head's in the way. I am, when I get enough time, I'm going to move my camera probably just a little bit, and that way y'all can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and spin it out. I try to keep the colors in the center, that way it doesn't get all wonky. So for the most part, so I did add a little bit of cell activator on one of the sides, just trying to blow it out to get a little bit more color, but it didn't really work that well. So on one of the sides at the edge, you can see there's some white cells with the black lacing. I am going to tilt that off if I can't get it off by spinning. So here's a close-up look. Again, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care.